Today's video topic is how to take away your CapCut editing experience 10x. I will give you CapCut tips and tricks. This is a free video editor without a watermark, and this is available on mobile and PC both. You can use all the tips and tricks that I will explore in this video on mobile in the same way. When you edit your videos in mobile, you need to delete CapCut watermark from end every time. If you want to delete it permanently for all videos, go to CapCut settings. Turn off the default ending toggle. Click on discard. Now you will not see any watermark in the CapCut end. You can make your own overlay and you can use them in transition. Many overlays are available on the internet. Many are paid. You can find free overlay with the help of Google. Like that overlay, you want to search on Google, your video overlay and write free. Find your overlay and download it. Import your overlay in CapCut, and you can use it as a timeline and transition. To make transitions with overlay, give overlay on top of the two clips between, and set the blending option to brighten. To use overlay as a timeline video, add an overlay on top of the timeline video. And again, set blending options to the brighten. If your blending will not apply right, you can use either blending options. And you can combine your overlays with some of the built-in CapCut transitions. Simply go to the transition section, select the transition that you want, and add on cut and adjust your overlay on the transition. With overlay and transition combination, you have a couple of amounts of your own effects. This feature is a little bit of a hidden feature of CapCut, and I know a lot of viewers record your voice with smartphones. To be honest, smartphones have okay microphones, but no great ones. You might record some traffic and winds well to reduce it. Choose your clip, click on Audio Enable Noise Reduction, and it is not perfect because reducing the noise is difficult, but it can be helpful for you. Here's a comparison. Today's video topic is how to take away your CapCut. Today's video topic is how to take away your CapCut. Do not ignore sound effects ever. I show you the transition, it is looking good, but after adding sound effects, you can see the magic of sound effects. Always use simple sound effects. You can add your own sound effects, but I am using CapCut sound effect. I am using projector sound effects. Add your sound effects and adjust it with the transition. Make sure to adjust the sound effect volume. Now this time to comparison. Keyframes are an art, and it totally depends on you. How you can use keyframes with your creativity. With keyframes you can do pinching like this. To add a keyframe, choose video. These are all diamonds that you are watching are keyframes. I am adding a scale keyframe here and a second keyframe here, and now I will increase the size of the scale. Keyframing is totally dependent on your creativity. With tracking, you can track any object with another object. To do it, cut your both objects in one duration. Click on the layer object and adjust it on the tracking object. Then click on tracking and select the tracking object. Then click on Start. For good tracking, make sure your object will not move in speed. I hope it will be a very helpful feature for you. If you have a video which has many scenes, you can cut it all in one click. Left click on the clip and select Split Scene. Now your all clips are split. If you have any questions, leave down comment below.